this year, I want to start these 7 work from home business, and I will be documenting my journey here on this channel. At kung gusto niyo akong sabayan sa journey na ito, like and subscribe to my channel. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung 7 income generation ideas to try in 2025. And reminder, hindi to get rich quick schemes. Kasi ang pagnenegosyo, talagang dadaan ka sa proseso. Lalo na if you want to do this for the Lord. Kailangan talaga yung tamang mindset. So, ready ka na ba? So, yung first one is, tada! Surprise! Start a YouTube channel. Next is, create a paid online course. Someone out there is looking for the course or the kind of teacher that you are. Kaya, kailangan mo nang simulan. So, next is offer coaching services. Alam nyo, I also availed of coaching services and sobrang nakatulong to sa akin. And just like what I said, someone out there is looking for a coach just like you. I mean, yung mga napagdaanan mo, yung personality trait po, yun ang gusto nila. And it's just a matter of you finding them. And how can you find them kung hindi mo sisimulan, di ba? Next is sell merchandise. This could be your own brand, your own merchandise, pre-order, nagla-live selling. Number 5 is to become a virtual assistant. You can offer your services to business owners, whether here in the Philippines or abroad. Yes, try affiliate marketing. Merong mga brands na nag-o-offer ng opportunities to become their affiliate. And it works like a referral program. Meaning, kapag pin-promote mo yung mga products nila at may bumili dahil sa pagpo-promote mo, you get to earn from that sale. Get into network marketing. Network marketing is a legit business model. Ang secret lang is to find a legitimate product. Yung product na gusto mo siyang i-promote and it's a high quality product. The company has ethical business practices. And with all this being said, ang pinakakailangan natin in thriving in business as believers, as Christians, is the right mindset and to be faith-based. I started my entrepreneurship journey. Takot or maraming mga issues sa puso. And I felt God calling me into selling, ganyan. But I didn't know how to start. Pero you know what? Na-realize ko it's not about what you achieve and it's more about what you become. The marketplace is a great place to know God more and to do His will and to just change. So that's why I have this ungodly mompreneur. It's really going to be an encouragement. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Yes. Thank you so much, guys.